Hi, I'm Ben McSheffrey, and I'm the Technical Training Manager for Symmons Industries. Today I'll demonstrate how to install the Symmons DIA SD6350BL sensor soap dispenser. The DIA soap dispenser is the latest addition to the ActivSense family from Symmons, and installation couldn't be simpler. All you'll need is a drill, a Phillips-head screwdriver, and a 2mm Allen wrench. The DIA faucet also comes with this cone-shaped tool to make installation that much easier. Let's give it a shot. First, open the box and check the installation guide to ensure that all the parts are included. The pump assembly and soap dispenser body are connected to the spout assembly. Start by detaching these two parts by pulling apart gently at the waterproof connectors. Set the pump assembly aside. Next, disassemble the mounting hardware from the base of the dispenser. Unthread the nut by rotating in a counterclockwise direction, then slide the nut, washer, and gasket from the base of the body and over the wires and supply line. Set those pieces aside separately. You'll notice the bottom of the base ring locks into the body and has a tapping for a set screw. This screw acts as an optional anti-rotation anchor. It may be useful for some applications where vandalism is a concern. If you choose to use it, just mark the location on the deck and drill a small hole to receive it. Then, insert the set screw into the base, and then mount with the set screw in the hole to prevent rotation. For the purposes of our video, we'll remove it and install normally. To set the body on the deck, slide the wires and supply line through the hole in the deck and fit the soap dispenser body with the bottom ring to the deck. Slide the gasket over the wires and supply line, followed by the washer. Man, I wish I had a third hand. And finally the nut. Then, spin the nut on in a clockwise direction and snug it just finger tight to start. Double check the alignment above before finally securing the dispenser. To do this, slide the cone wrench over the supplies and wires and snug it up with your hand. Now, let's mount the pump and soap bottle bracket. Find a good location for the bracket that allows access to the pump and easy refills for soap. Use the two anchors and two Phillips-head screws to attach the soap bottle support. The soap bottle unscrews from the support fixture, rotating in a counterclockwise direction. Fill the soap bottle with liquid soap and slide the supply tube into the bottle while returning it to the support fixture. Thread the bottle clockwise into the support to secure. Make sure the viscosity of the soap is between 100 and 3800 CPs. Push the soap tube from the dispenser body into the quick connection fitting on the pump. Give it a slight tug to make sure it's seated properly. Before we start the battery install, it's important to note that the protective sticker should not be removed until the very end of the install. First, insert the round black pump power wire into its matching connector coming from the battery box. This waterproof connector must be pushed together until the O-ring is completely inserted into the housing and only the grooves are visible. Next, install the included 6D batteries into the battery box. To open the box, use the Phillips-head screwdriver to remove the screws in a counterclockwise direction. Set the box aside and insert the batteries in the box, ensuring you match polarity. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Replace the top and reinsert the screws clockwise to secure the lid. Once the batteries are installed, mount the box to the wall using the included Phillips-head screws and wall anchors. You may need the drill depending on your wall material. Connect the wires from the soap dispenser body to the battery box by gently pushing the connectors together. Okay, that's it for the installation. Pretty easy, right? Let's test it out. First, we'll prime the pump by pressing the gray button on the pump to get the soap flowing. Finally, we'll remove that protective sticker and let the unit run through its 10-second calibration on initial startup. And that completes the installation for the SD6350BL DIA soap dispenser. Now, all that's left is to wash up and call it a day.
Symmons does not recommend using soap dispensers as beer taps. They deliver warm beer, and we all know that only Brits like their beer warm. Just use it for soap leaks.
If you have any questions related to the installation of this or any Symmons product, do not hesitate to call our technical support team at 1-800-SYMMONS. On behalf of the entire team at Symmons, thanks and have a great day.